So for assignment 11, what I'm going to ask you to do is I want you to take your rock, paper, scissors, and that was assignment 6. Okay, so here is my rock, paper, scissors, and you can see I've got my functions here. We don't need to be too worried about what those do or how they work because we've already played around with those. But if I've got these here and I run this, it will play one round of rock, paper, scissors, right? So if I run that, rock, paper, scissors, I choose rock, and tells me who won, okay? So that's not my whole program or the whole program that I asked you to write, but it's an example of that. And so if I want to convert this into modules, all I have to do is take these functions. I also want to take this because these refer to random, so that has to come with it. I'm put those in a different file. Let's just put those in my module, X, my module, import random, save that. Now I just import my module as mm, because I'm going to shorten it. So I'm just going to put mm dot in front of those things. Okay, so now it's getting the who won function, the user guess function, and the computer guess function from my other module. So I'm going to save that, and I'm going to run it, and it should do the exact same thing. It should work exactly the same way, and it does. So that is literally how easy it is to convert a well-written function to a module that you can then reuse all over the place. But the nice thing there is it reduces your main program to a very small amount of code because you've written these things so well that you don't have to worry about how they work or what's going on. They're black box functions. They just do what they're supposed to. And just like with the others, I can use the directory function to look inside that. Oops, I renamed it. There we go. And you can see here are my computer guess, random, user guess, and who won. Now random, why is random there? Well, random is there because it's another module that I imported into that. So it's going to show it in the list of things that are in this module because random has now become part of that module. When I import it, that's what it does. So you can see that it works just like any other module, and it's just another file that contains the functions. So really, that is, I just showed you the entire assignment for assignment 11, is to take those functions that you wrote for rock, paper, scissors, move them out into a module, import that module, and it should run in the exact same way. So now it is 10:06. We have 11 minutes before the drill happens. So I'm going to let you pack up your stuff. I'm going to pack up my stuff. And at 10:17, we should see the lights and maybe hear something. And we'll get under the desks for a couple of minutes. And then when they give us the all clear, then we'll head downstairs, down the stairwell, outside. And like I said, if you choose to come back in the room after the drill ends, then I will be here. If you choose to not come back to the room, that's up to you. There will be no penalty from me.